Everyone screamed when a tiny kitten fell onto the gorilla enclosure. The crowd was terrified. The zookeepers rushed in, fearing the massive 400-pound silverback would crush the fragile animal. He grabbed the kitten with his giant hands. One wrong move could have ended it all. But what the gorilla did next, no one expected. I'll show you. However, if you think this duo is cute, like and subscribe. And millions of people cried after seeing this bond. If you believe animals have pure souls, give a heart emoji in the comments and share this video with your friends. Then 1 million angels will watch over your family. The gentle giant didn't hurt him. He started to pet the kitten, treating it like his own baby. He refused to let the zookeepers take him back. They became inseparable, sleeping and playing together, proving that even the strongest giants have the softest hearts.